Having the LED lights in our entire facility was a huge win for me. It was something I was really pushing because I've seen in our old warehouse how employees would struggle to read a label or scan a barcode. The entire building had the metal halide lights in it. With the LED lighting, it's like it's daylight in there all the time. For us, it was a very large project to light up 250,000 square feet. U.S. Energy's proposal was so complete. It had the price per fixture, it had what our savings would be, it had how our lighting should be at the end. The biggest surprise was how quickly everything was installed. What I needed was a project where I handed it over. They have a great turnkey product. I just watched the process go up without having to worry about it or work on it. It was great seeing the side-by-side where you'd see LED lighting in rows and then the metal halide on the other side. You could really see the difference. It helps our productivity with employees. It helps our forklift operators. We have a lot of RF guns and barcodes our employees have to scan all over the entire facility. And there's no struggle with lighting. I feel like it's made it a little bit of a safer environment, but just for the day-to-day, you so take it for granted that you see so well in the facility all the time. It is just remarkable how much better that lighting is. So then when my executives would walk in the building and see the difference, besides the energy savings costs that they're going to have down the road, that was huge because they could see it and then they said, yeah, that was the right decision to make.